Kev. Oh, man, you know, Kev, I'm still having trouble with my computer surfing the web. That stupid thing.
Oh, you having more trouble, Jay? What's up,
I don't know what. Yesterday was the most humiliating experience.
Oh, what happened, man?
I was playing with my... Ellen, do we have that? See, my life is on tape. Everything I do has to be taped. Ellen, show that footage of me working the computer yesterday. Maybe.
Every night, Jay Leno surfs the web while having his midnight snack. And even though he's been repeatedly warned, he still stupidly places a foil-wrapped burrito into the microwave, starting a chain reaction that causes him to be sucked into cyberspace and turned into Virtual Jay. Tonight's episode, Virtual Fight Club.
Oh, great. I'm trapped in the computer again. Hey, I'm in the Tonight Show office. There's my staff. Hey! Hey!
There's no sign of Jay anywhere.
Hello? I can see you. Hello? Oh, that's my office. And I just had that furniture cleaned. I gotta get out of here. Cheering! Well, I guess I must be on stage somewhere. Oh, what's going on? Oh. Ah, what a beautiful day. What? Boxing gloves? Where am I?
You're in my new Ready to Rumble boxing video game, Jay. Let's get ready to rumble!
I'm gonna kick your butt, Leno.
Wait a minute. There's gotta be a mistake. Wait a minute. This is a video game. Who's playing?
That's right, Jay. I'm finally getting back at you for all those jokes that you tell about me.
Hey, John Teche's music would put Al Gore to sleep.
Ah, John, you got it all wrong. I love your music.
And I'm not the only musician mad at you. Here's one for Yanni. Here's one for Kenny G. And here's a big one for the Spice Girls. Game over, Virtual Boy.